we're going to start with Level 2's dimensional analysis. This is a way to convert problems, and so it's more concentrated on the steps than it is just doing the math. So everything I show you with the setup is what we're looking at for you to be able to do. So this first one here, we're going to look at what we know. We have 5,400 inches, and we want to know how many miles that is. And I gave you a conversion of 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So step one in dimensional analysis is always start with what you know. So I know 5,400 inches, over 1. All right. And then we're going to do labels first. So inches is going to come down. Our top label always comes down crisscross. Now we have to try to find something that we can get to from inches. We don't have an inches to miles, but we know inches to feet. So I can go ahead and put feet up top. Now I'm going to go again because I'm not at the label I want. So top label comes down, feet, and I look up here and I can get from feet to miles. So miles goes up top. Once you have the label that you're looking for, you know you're done because these guys will cancel out. Okay, now let's go back and fill in our numbers. So 1 foot equals 12 inches. And we go up here to 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So we're going to multiply everything on top divided by everything on the bottom multiplied. So we've got 5,400 times 1 times 1, and then we're going to divide that by 12 times 5,280, and then we end up with an answer 0.085227. I'll stop there. Okay, so now let's take a look at sig figs. These guys are not estimated. So the only thing we're going to look at for our significant figures is our first starting number. So we have 1, 2, because these zeros don't count. So I'm going to come down here, 1, 2. These guys don't count. Get rid of them. Put my final label on. 0.085 miles. If you really wanted to go a higher level, you could put that into scientific notation. So to come back, I'm going to 1, 2, -2 miles. That's your first level 2 dimensional analysis.